Today I'm going to be going over how to create this custom name vinyl using my Cricut Explore Air 2 and how I go about cutting it and adding it to a wooden backdrop. If you guys want to see a separate tutorial where we show you how we create this entire balloon garland with the floral accents, be sure to like and subscribe because I will be posting a video about that soon. All the products and materials used in this tutorial will be listed in the description down below. And don't forget to follow us on social media to see more of our work, including balloon and party decor. To get started, open up Cricut Design Space and click on the text tool here on the left-hand side. For this project, I'll be using the font Jokerman. I'll leave the link for that down below as well if you want to download it. Once I type out my text, I'm just going to go ahead and select it and resize the width of my text to 24 inches because that's a good size for this particular wood backdrop that we're going to be working with. Then go up here to ungroup on the right hand side so that we can change the color of each letter individually because each of these letters is going to be cut on a different color sheet of vinyl. And now we're ready to cut, so go ahead and click on Make It and set your Cricut dial to cut vinyl. I got this multicolored pack of 12 by 12 sheets of vinyl off Amazon, and I'll leave the link for that down below. I do occasionally purchase the rolls of vinyl as well, but I think it's a hassle to have to cut them. For those of you who don't know, I do have cerebral palsy, so anything that requires hand and finger dexterity or anything that requires a fine motor movement, it can be a bit challenging for me, so I really like buying these pre-cut 12 by 12 sheets so I don't have to worry about cutting them.